Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to use the CB Insights Chrome or Edge extension to conduct instant analysis on a company across the web. Because I already have the browser extension installed and pinned, which is what I'm going to show you how to do today. Anytime I'm on a company website, all I need is a single click of the CB Insights favicon in my browser to reveal everything I need to know about a company. This includes a real-time scouting report with a complete SWOT analysis. And alongside, I can conduct deeper analysis on company financing, competitor, investor, and market data as I do web research. For example, let's say I want to get data on the Gen AI company Hugging Face. I can simply go to their site and I click my pinned CB Insights Chrome extension, which instantly generates a scouting report for Hugging Face. Now, these reports are available on select packages. Scouting reports provide a snapshot of who a company is, things like the key takeaways, whether they're in growth or decline via their head count, business model, how do they create revenue, deeper financial information, and an entire SWOT analysis with these citations that correlate to the sources of information that can be found on CB Insights so I can verify all the information surfaced. Now, to conduct a deeper analysis, I can reference Hugging Face's network. This reveals the business relationships and partnerships of Hugging Face. Transactions include the deeper financial information pertinent to my analysis on Hugging Face, what funding looks like, who they've acquired, and investments. Research surfaces all the key research on CB Insights that Hugging Face is featured in. If I want to understand what markets Hugging Face plays in, I can check that out on the Markets tab here. Now, accessing all of this information couldn't be easier. Simply download the extension from the Chrome or Edge store and pin it for easy access. Then, anytime you're on a company website, simply click the CB Insights favicon and boom, you instantly have all the insights you need.